Hey everyone, Casey Dimon here. We're talking about tax sales today in the state of Tennessee. Now, Tennessee is what is known as a redeemable tax deed state. They do not sell liens, but instead they sell the rights of ownership to a piece of property through their redeemable tax deeds. So the difference between a redeemable deed state and a standard tax deed state is that there is still a window of time in which the deed can be canceled in the redeemable deed state. In Tennessee, after the taxes have been delinquent for too long, the property will be taken to a tax sale auction. The opening bid at this auction will be the amount of the delinquent taxes, the interest, the accrued penalties, and all the fees involved into the property up until that point. Now, the auction process itself is very simple. The person who is willing to pay the most amount of money for the piece of property will walk away as the winning bidder. It doesn't get much more simple than that. The tax deeds do come with a redemption period, of course, for the defaulting property owner. This redemption period allows them up to 12 months to redeem the deed and thereby cancel the sale of the property. Note here that the 12-month period is the maximum redemption period. This redemption period can be shorter depending on how long the taxes have gone delinquent prior to the sale and if the property is considered abandoned, because it's shorter then. If the property is redeemed during this time, the tax deed investor will receive their initial investment back, including all fees involved in the purchase plus interest at the rate of 12%. After redemption period is over, delinquent taxpayer loses all of their ownership rights to that property. Now, the sale dates do vary from county to county, but they're going to be held throughout the year, and most counties will post the dates online. Many counties will require that you be in person in order to bid, or that you send an agent to bid on your behalf with the proper affidavit signed. With that said, some counties are slowly starting to transition to online sale systems. Now, payment is going to be required to be made in full within a set period of time. Usually it's going to be the same day of the auction or within 24 hours, a very short window. And there are no payment plans offered for tax sale properties in Tennessee. Now, all sales are going to be handled by the county chancery court clerk, and many of the auction lists are posted directly on their websites, along with additional information such as their county-specific procedures and the sale dates. Simply browse on over to their sites and click the delinquent tax sale link for more information on how they operate their tax sales. To learn more about Tennessee's tax sale laws, you can head on over to Google and search Tennessee Code Title 67, Chapter 5, starting in Part 23. I really hope you've enjoyed this video, the breakdown of Tennessee tax sale laws. To learn about other states, browse on over to taxsaleacademy.com and click on the State Guide button. Take care, folks. Bye-bye.